Hi, I'm Ben McCurdy, MC, DJ, VJ Ed here for Alliance Home Inspections. The first call you should make before buying or selling a property is 207-745-7453. That's Alliance Home Inspections. Sell your home smarter with a pre-listing inspection. Yes, you can make the most of the cash you put in to your pre-sale renovations and preparations by having Alliance Home Inspections do a pre-listing inspection. Call now and talk with our experts about what will work best in your specific case. Knowledge is power, and you'll have the most knowledge when Alliance Home Inspections brings the best information to you about roofs, foundations, water quality, drainage, air quality, sewer system analysis, and many other features. Knowing these things before you sell can make your transaction quicker and better for you and your buyer. When both sides of a transaction are happy, everyone wins. So I will say it again. The first number you should call before selling or buying a property is 207-745-7453, Alliance Home Inspections at alliancehomeinspectors.com.